Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Play Store with the Google account that stores the search history. This matters because history is tied to the account. Once the app is open, tap your profile icon, then choose Settings. Next, go to General and select Account and Device Preferences. This path reveals search and activity controls. Make sure you are on Wi-Fi or cellular data so changes sync. Once you reach the right section, you're ready to clear specific search entries or activity records. Now focus on the middle steps, locating and deleting the actual search terms. Once in the search or activity section, scroll to find recent searches. You can long press an individual entry or tap the three-dot menu beside it to delete that single item. If the Play Store version shows a Clear on Device History option, use it to remove multiple entries at once. This clears local suggestions, but Google account web activity may still retain records. Make sure to confirm deletions when prompted. Finish by verifying the result. Close and reopen the Play Store so suggestions refresh. This ensures deleted searches no longer appear. If entries persist, go to your device settings app's Google Play Store and clear cache or storage, then reopen and sign in again to force a reset. If you still see history, visit Google My Activity to delete server-side search records tied to your account. Troubleshooting tip: if deletions fail, check you use the same Google account and that sync is enabled.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.